Meaning of folklore.
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 Folklore. Folklore refers to the traditional beliefs, customs, stories, and practices of a particular group of people, typically passed down from generation to generation through oral tradition. It encompasses a wide range of cultural expressions, including proverbs, myths, legends, folktales, music, dance, and festivals. Folklore can provide insights into a community's values, history, and social norms, as well as its imaginative and artistic traditions. It is an important aspect of cultural heritage and identity for many societies around the world.